Hello student, today we will do question number 4 from exercise 4.3 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of the two friends is 20 years. So let the age of one friend be X and the other be 20 minus X. 20 minus X. According to question, this 4 years ago, the product of their age. So 4 years ago, product of their age means X minus 4 into 20 minus X minus 4. We have subtracted because 4 years ago is telling, and product of this is 48. So this will be X minus 4 and this is 16 minus X equal to 48. We'll multiply this. So 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. We will bring this all this side. So this would be x square minus 16x and 4x. This will be 20. 16x plus 4x means 20x and plus 64 plus 48 equal to 0. This will be x square minus 20x plus 60. 8 for 12. If you like this, 12, 1, 1. This is so for the real solution, discriminant should be greater than 0. So first we'll find discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. B is here minus 20 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 1 2 is equal to 400 minus 8 4 4 is equal to, this will be minus 48. So here see discriminant is less than 0, so therefore no solution, no real solution. This is the answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.